Hi, my name is Patrick. This video is to tell you about the minimum number of questions to be attempted in order to crack CAT. The idea is so that you have a fair idea as to what is required basically when you attempt a paper and when you prepare for the paper. How many questions to solve, what should be a strategy, and how to go about it. Now, so I will explain as and when we go. I mean, we do take classes for the CAT exam and the other entrance exam. Now, the definition of cracking CAT could vary from person to person. For some person, maybe a 99.5 percentile will be cracking CAT. For others, it could be 80 percentile could be cracking CAT. It depends on what your target is or where you're looking at or how it is. So, I mean, very difficult to define as such. But considering that, I looked at a CAT 22 paper and looked at a number of questions required to get different percentiles. If you look at a CAT 22 paper, now this is for the CAT 22 paper. Okay, if I look aiming at 70 percentile, if I get 5 questions correct, nothing wrong in verbal section, I'll still get a 70 percentile. Right? If I get 13 questions correct out of 24, I get a 99 percentile. For DILR, I mean, which is supposed to be a tough section, even if I solve one complete set correct, like 5 questions correct, I will end up getting a 90 percentile. If I get 2 complete sets correct out of the 4 sets, if I get 2 sets correct, I'll end up at 99 percentile. So you get a fair idea as to understand this is CAT 22. I mean, it can vary. If the paper becomes more tougher, the number of questions required to get the percentile could be less. If the questions become easier, paper becomes easier, the number of questions required will be more. So it can vary from paper to paper. This is a CAT 22 paper, how it goes. Same way if you look at quant, 4 questions could give you 80 percentile. 6 questions correct could give you a 90 percentile. Right? So basically, and 7 questions, you still jump to 95 percentile. I mean, so basically, if I solve half the paper, I can still get a 99 percentile in every section which is there. Okay, overall. This is for overall. If I'm looking at overall 70 percentile, 10 questions correct out of 66 would give me a 70 percentile, assuming no incorrect. And overall 99 percentile, if I want, I get 28 questions correct, I get a 9. Same if I want 99 percentile. 95, I require 20 questions correct. So you can plan your paper accordingly. Again, don't go with these numbers in a cyclosac manner. The numbers will change based on the toughness of the paper. But why I have given this or why does it help? Because it helps you to understand that if I'm just looking at cutoff for con, like con is my minimum, is my weakest section, and I want to just clear the cutoff. So even if 4 questions correct can help you clear the cutoff, which means I don't have to look at the whole paper and study the whole syllabus. Let me cover half the syllabus, do it well, and try to get that whatever 5-6 questions correct. Yes, if I'm aiming for 99 percentile or 95 plus percentile, I need to do the whole syllabus. But if I'm aiming for cutoff, maybe I can plan it such a way that do selective preparation and then get the questions correct. But my recommendation, at least is a base for each. Same with DLR. Don't fret that I cannot get a set. Even one set will give you 90 percentile, proper correct. So ensure that you plan your strategy and your preparation accordingly. That should help, right? Thank you.